This demo is on Pathfinder and a Pathfinder palette. This is the document you'll download from Blackboard. And to bring up the Pathfinder palette, I'll go Window, Pathfinder. Okay, and I'll demonstrate how it applies to these shapes. Okay, so on this first row, what I'll do is I'll select these two shapes, a square and a circle. I'll apply the Pathfinder to it, and then I will Command Z undo it and then do the next one. Okay, so the first one, get them both selected. The first one is Unite. So you can see it unites the two shapes. You might notice that the shape that the color that it used was the one in front. Okay, Command Z that. So that is Unite. The next one is minus front. What this does is this punches out any shape that is in front of the shape. Okay, minus front. And on your robot exercise, when you're doing the attack of this is all pen tooled, and you'll need to punch these out. Now sometimes when you're doing a multiple compound path, the traditional method won't work. Sometimes we have to use Pathfinder. So in a case like this, where we have multiple compound paths, I'll select all the shapes, and then pick minus front. And it will punch them out. So if a traditional compound path, Command 8 doesn't work, this is what you want to try. Minus front. Okay, that was minus front. The next one is intersect. And what that does is it creates a shape where the two shapes intersect each other. Command Z that. Right. The next one is exclude. And basically what that's going to do is create a compound path where the two shapes intersect each other. See, we now have a window here. Okay, now on the bottom row, we have this selected. This first one is divide. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to pull this apart by using the direct selection tool and clicking on these. Okay, it kind of looks like the icon. It has divided those shapes. Do 3 Command Z's to undo that. Okay, the next one over is trim. So for trim, I'll demonstrate on these shapes down here. You can see we have 3 shapes here: rectangle, circle, and a triangle. Okay, you can see how they overlap. So I'll select all 3, and I'll select trim. And what it does is where they intersect, it divides them. Oops. That is trim. Next one is merge, so we'll apply that on these. And here we have the same 3 shapes. Okay, 2 of them are the same color. So we'll select those and click on merge. And basically it unites them, unites the same color shapes. Okay. Okay, next one is crop. Basically, the shape that is on top is what is going to be defining the crop. So we'll select all 3 shapes and crop. And you can see the crop it applied from the top shape. Okay, going back up top to the square and the circle again. And this next one is outline. It's basically just going to outline your shapes, and whatever color the shape was, it puts it on the stroke. Okay, you can crank it up and you can see it there. Okay. Okay, and select these guys again. And the last one is minus back. Very similar to minus front, it's just all the shapes behind it will be punched out. So that is minus back. So that is Pathfinder.